Today, electronic meters are a better than electromechanical meters. Some comparison are here because they do not contain moving part in which might get affected due to the various factors as listed above. The electronic meters are better than electromechanical meters. Also, they provide not only the consumed units as is the case of electromechanical meters, but they also provide other information like the instantaneous and maximum rate of usage demands, voltage, power factor, and so on. Electricity theft, the major issue nowadays. It is the difference between the power supplied and the user's consumption in the distribution system. We are supplying some energy and we are consuming less energy on account of metering system. It can be identified by making a comparison between the power distributed to the line and the power actually consumed by the load. Computerizing the metering system introduces numerous new vectors for power theft. The evolution of algorithm of machine learning has overcome the disadvantages of conventional methods. Application of appropriate classification and clustering techniques as well as concurrent use of transformer, meters and anomaly detector make the algorithm robust, which leverage the predictability of customers' normal and malicious consumption pattern and provide a high and adjustable performance with a low sampling rate. Smart electronic metering infrastructure in smart grid allows for more manageable energy theft localization. Detection of electricity theft in India is based upon smart meter database non-technical loss detection approach. Smart meter measures the energy consumption of a consumer and securely communicate this and the additional information to the utilities. The smart meters are able to deliver bidirectional communication of data which enables the utilities to collect information regarding the electricity feedback to the power grid from customer premises. These meters can execute control commands remotely as well as locally. This data is sensitive, confidential, and access to this data is only with few personnel. Security guidelines are formulated for transmission, collection, storage, and maintenance of the energy consumption data. Smart meter can be the best option to minimize electricity theft because of its high security, best efficiency, and excellent resistance toward many of theft ideas in electromechanical meters. All are the comparison with the electromechanical meters. India is therefore planning to install smart meters in every home and business as a part of its ongoing efforts to improve efficiency by monitoring and transmitting power use data. Smart meters can help distribution utilities deal with their financial challenges by monitoring uses and improving billing and collection, including curb of power theft. Two ways of power theft. One way, the power tapping. Often power theft is done during transmission by illegal tapping of the power lines to divert the power to the required destination. It is also done by illegal connections to the power grid stations which are cut at the time of billing. Second one is the meter fraud. In many areas where manual reading of the meter is done, the person is often bribed to give false reading and thus the amount paid is for lesser amount of power compared to the power actually consumed. Also, meters are tempered by obstructing the motion of the disc, usually electromechanical, consist of slowly spinning disc to record the power consumed. Theft of electricity. It is the criminal practice of stealing electrical power. It is a crime and is punishable by fines and or in creations. It belongs to the non-technical losses. There are various types of electrical power theft, including tapping a line or bypassing the energy meter. According to a study, 80% of worldwide theft occurs in private dwelling and 20% on commercial and industrial premises. Types of electrical power theft. So what may be the types? Direct hooking from the line. It is also known as cable hooking. It is the most used method. 80% of global power theft is by direct tapping from the line. The consumer taps into a power line from a point ahead of the energy meter. This energy consumption is unmeasured and procured with or without switches, bypassing the energy meter. In this method, the input terminal and output terminals of the energy meter is short circuited, preventing the energy from registration in the energy meter. And last one is the injecting additional element in the energy meter. Meters are manipulated via a remote by installing a circuit inside the meter so that the meter can be slowed down at any time. This kind of modification can evade external inspection attempts because the meter is always correct unless the remote is turned on. Physical obstruction. This type of the tampering is done to electromechanical meters with a rotating element. Foreign material is placed inside the meter to obstruct the free movement of the disc. A slower rotating disc signals less energy consumption. ECD attack on electronic meter. ECD, the electrostatic discharge type of tampering, is done on electronic meter to make it either latent damage or permanent damage. Detection can be done correctly in high end meters only.